Okay guys, so the best two products to use on your falsy natural hair to lay these edges is you claim you want got it, got it, got it. Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to Life with a Stephanie. It's your girl Stephanie, and I'm back with a new YouTube video. Like I'm back. Guys, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications so you guys can be notified every time I post a new video. And let's get into this review. And I have done showing these two products, but baby, I just need to let you guys know it's the best two products. Get you some Gorilla Snot, the 10 Max, and a red one hair wax. Like y'all, this right here and the red one, because they have in all type of colors, but the red one is the one. And y'all, this Gorilla Snot, get you it in yellow, no purple, no other color but yellow, and get in the 10 Max whole. Alright, and these two together, your egg is gonna be laid all day long. Like you can even go sleep and wake up and it's still laid. So I get you the, and even if you can't find this, you could get you your Gorilla Snot. This for sure works. So guys, I'm gonna be doing my edges today. Let's take these bad boys out. Guys, I'm trying to find new ways to like style my edges. Like I need some new ways. I like to start off with the red one hair wax, cause this, like if you try and style up your edges, a wax based product is very much good. So yeah, and it's like red also. So let me see. I don't know where to start or what to do. Okay, I'm gonna start here. Y'all, if you see me looking up, I have a mirror literally right up here, so I can see. Okay, how we gonna do these edges, man? I have nothing. So guys, you see that? Do you guys see that? Just with a wax base. And when you guys in on your edges, don't do it on top of product. Like you need to have your edges like ain't have no products on it, because if you just keep putting product on top of product on top of product, baby, it's not gonna lay at all. It's not gonna lay. So yeah, let's see. I mean, that's probably swoop. Okay, I think I'm gonna do like a little swoop to this side. Guys, I do not know what I'm doing, but I want something new. Okay, So what else?
Driving solo, I'm just swerving through my ends. When I'm sober, I just don't like who I am. Pull me up before and I feel like myself again. Roll me up some dope and I feel like myself again. I'ma break every box they try to put me in. I got a lot of enemies who used to be my friends. Pull me up before and I feel like myself again. Roll me up.
Okay, so I think I'm gonna do like a swoop and then like try carve it. Does this look weird? Okay, me with the swirls. Yeah, so you see how my hair look? Look, once you add this wax product, it's like bro, you see the shine? No. It makes a difference. Okay, so I'm done styling my edges. And now that we already styled it, now is when you go with this Gorilla Snot, because this is what actually holds it in. Hey guys, I have made multiple egg tutorials, but I wanted to try something new and let you know that these two products on Fossy hair works good. Like, bro. So yeah, you just want to like apply it on top with your hand. You don't have to use a comb. Right now, our little sideburns. All I do is I normally use gel to curl it. I don't put wax to curl it because it will stay like a straight stick. Like, yeah. And then all I do is like just add some wax, the red one here, wax onto it, and it stays laid. Instead of being it out, it lays it down, down, down. What? Alright guys, so this is all for this video. Your girl edges are laid as always because of these two products. They give me slay man. What word is that? I don't know, but bro, I be slay. My edges be slay all the time, every time. And I try a new like edge style because normally I do the same basic, all the same every time I do the same style, but I don't know how I feel about this. It's cute or whatever, but yeah guys, make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe and hit that bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video, and see you guys in the next video. You claim you want